Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. This is a Ford Mustang GTD. It's a newer version of Mustang which wasn't there before. So it's a track-oriented model of Mustang, and Hot Wheels made a model of it. So it's a mainline diecast of the car. We're gonna open it up and see how does it look. Also, it's new for 2025. So let's dive into it and see how does it look. So here is the Mustang GTD out of its packaging. One thing you will notice, it's a completely track-focused car. You can see the big wing on the back, and you can see the flared wheel arches, the vents too. But let's move to the front. So up front, you got nicely detailed headlamps. The grille is there, but it's not detailed. It's not painted black. Lower grille is. You can see the big splitter up front. Also, you can see the hood vents. These are not scoop, these are vent. And the hood looks very different from the normal Mustang. Also, you can see it's wider. You can see the vents in the wheel arches too. I don't know if the roof on the actual car is carbon fiber. It might be. It's blacked out here though. Coming to the driver's side, again you can see how wide the wheel arches are on the back. It's like a sports car. It's very wide. You can also see a vent here. The wheels are finished in golden. I'm not sure if the actual car has the same wheels. I will have to look into it. But these wheels we have seen on so many different cars throughout the years. For a mainline, I think it's alright. But I think if they do a premium, it definitely deserves better wheels. Now let's move to the back. The big wing here, again nicely detailed tail lamps. You got the Mustang on the number plate and GTD written here. Seems like vents there too, but if I'm not wrong, it's still a front engine car. Might be because they have transmission in the back, so for cooling, I guess. You got the exhaust in the bottom. I don't know if those are quads or it's like white exhaust. You got the diffuser in the back because it's a track-focused car. Coming to the, co-driver, I would say, not a passenger because it's a GTD. Looks almost identical, no major differences. And this is how it looks from the bottom. And obviously the interior is done in black and it's different from the actual car. If you see inside, there's no rear seat there because it's a race car. So it's a different interior. Overall, I would say it's a nice casting. Paint, I'm not a huge fan of this metallic paint, but again, doesn't look bad. Few added details here and there and it will look even better. Yep, those are my thoughts. And wait for my next video. I will have other Mustang in that. And at the end, I will show you all 3 different new Mustangs I've got. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.